After you install Git for your Windows machine, you will find an option Git Bash. Search for Git Bash, and this is the command line for you. Also, if you are using VS Code, you already have an terminal. You can click on this terminal and new terminal. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl and tilde. This will also open a terminal. This terminal is same as this Git Bash. Let me show you from Git Bash. Uh, Git has to check who is making these changes. So your first configuration command will be git config dash dash global user dot name, and in quotation type your name, for example John, and hit enter. And the second command will be git config dash dash global user dot email, and for example hello at. So you should put your own email. If you have any associated emails with this email in private emails, it will be shown on your GitHub commit. Anyways, and hit enter. So that's it. Now you are ready to use Git. This is the first time configuration, and you need this for the first time, and you don't need this every time you create a new repository. This is on time use.